Welcome to Bellmont's online product catalog, the new, more versatile way to view and share content across multiple platforms. Before we get started, it's worth mentioning that 2020 users should always be using Bellmont Online Catalog when working on their designs. Detailed information and product specs are clearly defined in the online catalog. 2020 is a great tool, but should always be used in cross-reference with the information on Bellmont's online catalog to ensure you are getting an accurate order. Now let's begin by opening up the Bellmont portal. First, click on the Catalog tab and then Online Catalog. You'll notice the online catalog opens up in a new window. Now you can also access the online catalog by simply typing in catalog.bellmontcabinets.com into your web browser. In the left column, you'll notice the main navigation. Begin by choosing a series. Let's say you want information on door style. Click on 1900 series, wooden paint doors. For this example, we'll choose Avant. Notice we're given details about the door, a color photo of the door, available edge and glass door options, and additional information as well. In 1900, you're given the option for drawer configurations as well, which are noted here. Make sure to always read the important notes before submitting your orders with Bellmont. I can use the Go Back button to navigate back one page, or simply click on Home to start the process all over again. Let's do the same thing, but this time let's click on 1900 series and then Cabinets. Notice the menu expands with options as we continue to click. For this example, we will click on Base and then All Base. By scrolling down on this page, I'm able to see a line drawing of all the base cabinets in the 1900 catalog at one glance. This is a very valuable way of finding a cabinet that you might know exists, but you can't remember the nomenclature that Bellmont uses for it. If I click on a BBCA, or a base blind corner arena, I get cabinet info, again a color photo, and in this case even a video that shows the cabinet in use. You can use the share button on the video to even send this video off to your client, and these are excellent sales tools for you, the designer, especially if you don't have the cabinet on your showroom floor. Let's try one more example. When I click on 1900 series, accessories, fillers, and then molded fillers, I'm given all the information that I need, including a video that speaks to what molded fillers are and how they are used. After becoming more comfortable with Bellmont's product information, you may want to start using the keyword search. If I type in the door style Avant here, the page will populate with places that I can continue to get more information about the door style and where that door exists in other pages. Just for fun, let's click on the door cross-reference chart. Many of our wooden paint doors have different names when you order them in 1600 versus 1900. In this case, we're looking at Avant in 1900. In this case, we can see in 1600 series that the Avant door is actually named Tivoli. I can also add notes to any page by clicking on the Notes button at the top of every page. Perhaps I want to make a note on this page that says, make sure to select the correct edge profile when working in 1900. No edge profile changes in 1600. I can then quickly access all of my notes by clicking on All Notes on the home page and then click on View Edit Notes. The last area I'd like to highlight is Sales Aid. Click on the Sales Aid tab and you can scroll through to find exactly what you're looking for in picture form. For instance, if I click on CBS, or Complete Color Block Set, again, I get a color photo along with information about what will come in that package. We know you are going to love the Bellmont Online Catalog. It's fast, it's always up to date, and it gives you accurate information on all of your devices. Find all products that you're looking for in the new Bellmont Online Product Catalog.